your fun.
Safety gear po, helmet, elbow pads, then close shoes, gloves, and knee pads po. Safety reminders po, no overtaking, no counterflow, control your speed, you must wear all proper gear while riding. While riding, you must follow while riding instructor yung mag-assist sa inyo. Thank you, sir.
Already signed up? Get your helmet, suit up, and get ready to feel the difference. There's so many exploring life, and when you're ready, you're up for a ride.
Rike, continuous.
Ganda guys, ganda.
Edad ng nagupan, dito lahat nagsimula.
Guys. Thank you sir ah.
Thank you po.